Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before you start, please subscribe our channel, like our videos. So today we're gonna learn how to do hand over hand. So hand over hand steering method is so important. So let me show you how to do it. Then we're gonna practice. So hand over hand, if you are turning to the right side, so turning the wheel 9-3 position. Then if you are turning right, so from left hand turning, the other hand over, hand over, hand over. Then bring back, hand over, hand over. So if you are turning to the left, hand over, then bring back, hand over. So you can practice by yourself as well. If you have a steering wheel, you can get in Dolorama, then steering wheel, and practice hand over hand in your home. And then so there are two recovery technique. So hand over hand, then release, the wheel is gonna come back itself. Hand over hand, then release, the wheel is gonna come back itself. It automatically comes by itself. You don't need to hold the wheel, just release your hand, don't hold, the wheel automatically comes by itself. Or hand over hand and hand over hand back. So when you're gonna do it, I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get started here. So drive. Okay, I'm in the parking lot, I'm checking around. So I'm turning right here. So I'm turning right here. So I stop here, I check both sides. I look at my blind spot as well. So I'm turning right. So I start from my left hand. So hand over hand, then hand over hand back. 1, 2, 3, just check both sides, scan. So I'm turning left here. So turning speed around 15-20. Check blind spot, hand over hand, then hand over hand back. Okay, so I'm turning again to the left side here. So parking lot, always go slow and check around, hand over hand. So I'm holding the wheel, I can release here. So I'm turning right from here. Even there is no stop sign here, it's better to stop. Check your surrounding, check your blind spot. So hand over hand. It's sunny today. Hand over hand back. I'm going slow here. Check both sides, go slow. So also I'm gonna show our office here in Windsor, Ontario. Okay, I'm gonna turn left here. Okay, so hand over hand and bring back by yourself, recover by yourself, hand over hand. So bring back, when you are straight, bring back, hand over hand back, hand over hand and release. So we are in the parking lot, we are turning left here. So hand over hand. So when you are straight, release. So one and a half turning, then after that hand over hand. So when you are straight, then release. So this is second step. The first step is hand over hand and bring back by yourself. Later on, after you're improved a little bit, hand over hand and release your hand. The wheel automatically comes by itself. Trust the wheel. Wheel is gonna come by itself because the engineer make automatically recovering itself. Trust the engineering as well, like this. So it's come by itself. So I'm gonna leave my hand. I'm in the parking lot. So okay, so hand over hand. Look, I'm just leaving the wheel. The wheel comes back. You just don't hold the wheel. Ready your wheel, your hand is ready on the holding, grabbing the wheel. Just touch and it's gonna turn by itself. Let it come. See, it's coming. Here again, I'm gonna park here, hand over hand. The short distance you can use hand over hand back, hand over hand back. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, again like our videos. See you in the next video.